Ellarkum Vanakkam. Namaste to all. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the director at eQuad Engineering Services. Traditionally, I think in India we've been thrust with French design, Italian design, German design, and we've been blindly asked to follow that to the T when we manufacture them. Thanks to Make in India, I think there's a huge incentivization to not just manufacture items blindly but also own the item, indigenize the item. Therefore, eQuad was born out of providing mechanical, electrical, and electronic related design services. When I say design, it ranges from a simple modeling, drafting, FEA, CFD, circuit design, control design services to something as complex as product design, process improvement, automation, using IoT and so on and so forth. One of the things that also they ask is, have you worked with this industry? Have you worked with that type of industry? And eQuad works from fundamentals. We have a proprietary, design approach called engineering systems thinking, and that's how within such a short period of time we've been able to cater to companies in nanotechnology, to pharma, to automobile, to precision component manufacturers, to as recently as to companies in defense and aerospace even. And I think I take great pride in the fact that we've been able to support a lot of Indian manufacturers to indigenize the design as well. Of course, as a give back to the community, other than just engineering design, we also train engineering students to become more employable in the industry. This is a give back to the community that we do. So we invite a lot of institutes, engineering colleges and institutes to collaborate and engage with us so that their students are trained in relevant engineering industry skills so that they become more employable, typically core industries and core employability. So we say mechanical, ECE, EEE, E&I, ICE, these students, these departments to come forward and collaborate with industries like us to be able to contribute to a lot of skilled engineers to the Indian market. We are also very honored that in recent times that our industrial skill training has also been recognized by Government of India, MSME Technology Development Center. So any student that gets industry exposure at eQuad is also given a Government of India certificate. We've come a long way in these 4 years, 5 years to be precise, and I think there's miles to go before we sleep, but I'm deeply thankful to all our clients and to all the institutes, all our industry partners who've trusted eQuad and shown that engineering design can be Indian owned and can be affordable and can be extremely reliable. Thank you so much.